Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Not Usbongile catching the fire. Ask why. Usbongile advised Ukwenzo to continue fighting for the poor people in his family, of which Ukwenzo did just that. Now Usbongile has been called into a family meeting, ambushed because Gold did not know the meeting that she was coming to. Hayi makafika lapha sakhuluma ubaba ukuthi hayi baba mara ukwenza wenze kahle bambuza ukuthi who are you? Like Unomfundo was sitting there on the table saying nothing. I was expecting something better from Unomfundo, honestly. Nomfundo and Usbongile babuya kude. At this point Unomfundo bemele amele Usbongile. But who can also amele Usbongile, because Usbongile is a stupid girl. I'm sorry. But the whole thing ends with the storyline bores me to death is how they are portraying Usbongile and her stupidity. How do you in your right mind borrow somebody your homework, your hard work won't work, when a person is telling you bluntly that I've not done anything, I've not done my work, I want you to borrow me your laptop because I've not done anything, and when you have started, like, I full common sense. But it's as if they created this Bongile capacity or character to lack thinking capacity. And honestly, it gets to a point where it's not working. But nonetheless, that's the Bongile that you guys like to watch. With that said, Velepi stole the child, right? Her child. She decided to go to nope, no social worker is gonna take the child. She is going to claim her child back. She did that just that no sangweni by inkosi ruled ukuthi umntana akayohlala laphana no babakhe no stepdad no stepmom so long. And Ugo was furious because Ugo thought ukuthi the regent would say no, immediately today the child must be with Uvelepi kanti. No, it did not go like that. Obviously it made her livid. She's livid, she's not happy. All she wants is for Usamke to lose and for her to win. And we know Usamke is going to cook something that's going to make Uvelepi be like rejected by the whole community, and she becomes the last woman standing. The question that I have is only one. Until when will she get away with all this?